So it is time for another Stitch Fix unboxing, and I've done it again. I've done a back-to-back because when I checked out last time, they said, hey, let's waive the styling fee if you want another one soon. So I'm like, okay, let's waive the styling fee. I have nothing to lose, and I can just see what you all curate for me. I can send it all back, and I'm not out anything, but I get to try on some fun clothes and see how they look. So let's open this Stitch Fix together. So just briefly, if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is a styling subscription service. You do pay $20 styling fee. If you purchase anything from your fix, then this $20 does go toward that. If you don't get anything, then you are out that $20. And usually they will send you 5 things. Lately, I've been asking for 8, but I think maybe I just got 5 with this one. They sent me a preview. I didn't like anything from the preview. This is what it looks like. You get some flyers now. I think there's Hello Fresh, and this talks about the AI vision board, and then you get your note from your stylist, and it looks like they have changed my stylist. So I had Tammy for a little while. I'd asked to continue with her, but it looks like Kirsten has styled mine, and I'll go over all of that, the pricing and everything, whenever I try on the clothes. And then here is the pre-packaged label. My Stitch Fix label got stuck to this to send anything back that you don't want. So here is the bundle. It is a little small burrito, and it looks like I've got some jewelry in here as well. So 1 piece of jewelry, and it looks like maybe 4 items, and it looks like navy and cream is the theme for this one. So let's see what's inside. So let's see how my new stylist did. So I'm just gonna show you the jewelry first. So this is from Ralph Lauren. Oh, these are gorgeous. I think I might have had these saved. Silver or gold, it doesn't matter to me. I'll wear both. So these are in the silver, and they have like the crystal look and then pearl drops. So pretty. I know I'm going to want to keep these. And then the first thing is a top from Liverpool. Ophelia sleeveless boat neck rib knit top, black size medium. So I think this will be good. I like a ribbed tank. I think it's a great little basic to wear with some linen pants. Oh, these feel so good. They're cut from the cloth. They are the Topaz wide leg linen pant in navy size 8. Oh, these feel so nice. I can't wait to try those on. And then these are from Liverpool. They are the Hannah Flare with utility details off-white size 8. I've been looking for an off-white pair. I finally found a white pair that I like. So I'm looking for a little off-white. I've picked up a few from Nordstrom. They didn't fit real well. They didn't look too good. They just emphasized all those lumps and bumps. So let's see how these work. Liverpool has usually been pretty good to me. And then it looks like the last thing, so there is just 5 items this time, is from Splendid. It's the French Terry Blazer in beige. So that might be a nice little layering piece. It has fleece on the inside. It says it's terry. It says it's a terry blazer, but the inside is a fleece, which makes me think a little bit more cooler temperatures, but we'll see. I'm going to try everything on. I'm going to read her notes, see if she has any suggestions on what to style, and then try it all on for you guys. So here's the first outfit. This is that Liverpool ribbed top. I do like it, and I like how stretchy it is. I think this is just great to throw on with a pair of crops or jeans. And then these are the Liverpool pants. They say they're crop style, but they're hitting me right at the ankle. They've got those side pockets. They're in that cream color. So what do you guys think about this? I actually like both of these, and I know that Liverpool seems to stretch a little bit with me. So they're a little snug right now. I've got a little bit of room, and they may look a little tight right here, but they're not tight. They don't feel really tight. So tell me guys what you think about this outfit. The top is from Liverpool. It's $59. The bottoms are from Liverpool, and they are $109, which is typical for Liverpool. Then I went ahead and just threw on this Splendid jacket. This is very warm. Like, I don't think this is going to work for spring or summer. This would work more for transitioning into fall, I think, and throughout fall. It's very oversized. The seaming for the shoulder is a little bit further down, so I don't know. Should I try to size down one because it's very oversized? Is it supposed to look oversized? I don't know. Should I size down one? Should I just disregard this one altogether? It's very soft, but I don't know. Let me see the price. So the price is $128. So I definitely don't like this for $128. The unfortunate thing is I'm probably going to like everything else, and this will be the one thing that I don't get. So let me try on the cut from the cloth bottoms with this top, and that's the only thing I have left except the earrings, and I know I'm going to keep the earrings. So I really like these bottoms. They've got some side pockets that are really nice, loose relaxed fit, kind of that wide leg fit. But you guys, they keep sending me these same pants, and I think it's because I'm really a 29-inch inseam. So they keep sending me the 28-inch inseam. If they send me something that's a 30-inch inseam, it's a little bit too long and I can't wear it with flats, but I feel like the 28 is just at that point where they look like they're too short. I don't know. What do you guys think about these? I love these. I think these are so great. I love that I can wear them with flats. And I just like this little classic look with just the black and then this navy color. So these are cut from the cloth, and they are $99. And then the really pretty earrings from Ralph Lauren are $38, and I'm going to hang on to those. So for all 5 items, $433. If I buy 5, I get the 25% discount. That takes $108 off, and then that makes the total $324.75. So when you think about the Stitch Fix math, if I were to buy all 5 items, I'm basically getting those Liverpool cream pants for free. But I don't think I like that blazer, or that they're calling it a French terry blazer. I think it's a little oversized. I don't think it's very flattering on me, and it's really super hot. So I'm not really wanting that for spring. And I don't know if I really want, to go ahead and buy something for the upcoming fall. There might be something I like better. So I don't see myself wearing that much, and it's $128. Okay, so here are the earrings. Aren't they so gorgeous, you guys? I love these earrings. So normally I would not put these on or try them on unless I knew for sure I was going to be keeping them, but I just thought they were so gorgeous. So I'm definitely keeping these. Yeah, that blazer, it's $128. I don't think I'm gonna keep it. The Liverpool pants, the off-white, I liked those. And they could be like a little tight in the waist, but I do know that I'm trying to lose weight right now. So I think those will work for me within the next couple of weeks for sure. And throughout spring, summer, fall. And I do really like them. So tell me what you think about that fit. And then this top, I love this top. I'm definitely going to hang on to it from Liverpool. And then definitely the earrings. And then those cut from the cloth, they say they're linen. They didn't feel linen to me, but I liked the feel of them. Oh, I have them on. I was looking for them and I have them on. So yeah, they don't really feel like linen. They almost feel like a tinsel fabric, if you will. But I love this color. They're navy and they look like they have a little striation through them. So they're a little bit different. They're supposed to be cropped. I don't know. Should I go try to get them a little bit shorter so they are cropped? I don't know how that would make them look. But then, I don't know, the length of them right now, do they look like they're too short? That's where that fine line. I should really get things that are 29, but most of the things you get are either 28 or 30 inseam length. What do you guys think? Because I love them. I think they're comfortable. I have them on right now, and I just think they're super comfortable. I like to keep 4 of the 5 items, which I hate because if I kept all 5, I'm basically getting something free. Or I could break it out and say that I'm getting the top and the earrings for free. But I just don't know if I want to pay that $128 for that blazer because I don't think it's very flattering. So I hate it when I find 4 of the 5 things that I like. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button from you guys. And I always love to hear from you. So let me know what you think. And then also I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. So if you're not subscribed yet, please consider doing so. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel. Those are my passions and I love to share them with you guys. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.